If you've used ChatGPT to generate images, you've probably realized that it sucks at respecting aspect ratios. But using Photoshop, we can fix that. What's up, guys? Baldwin here. We're going to create some thumbnails for YouTube in ChatGPT, and then we're going to use Photoshop to make them a proper 16:9 aspect ratio, because ChatGPT will not do it. And it's kind of interesting. I've been trying to get to the bottom of this. I've asked ChatGPT why I can't do it, and it gives me some big, convoluted reason. But essentially, it can create one of three aspect ratios. It can do a square, 1:1, and it can do 2:3, either landscape or portrait. So this is the only aspect ratios. And this was actually pretty much confirmed once I saw that ChatGPT's image generator was available on Hailuo AI. So if I'm in Hailuo AI here and I come down to my image generator and I choose GPT, you'll notice that the only aspect ratios allowed are 1:1, 3:2, and 2:3. Whereas if I do like Nano Banana, I've got a whole range of aspect ratios to choose from. So that basically confirms that those three are the only ones that ChatGPT knows how to do. And I've asked it so many times. And all right, so let's make a quick thumbnail. So make me a thumbnail for an AI video about generating thumbnails. Oh my God, I can't spell today. About generating thumbnails using ChatGPT. So we're gonna make the thumbnail for the video we're recording right now. And I'll even say, the thumbnail must be 16:9 aspect ratio. And I'm telling it, it's not gonna do it. It never does. So let's do that. I can kind of tell by the colors it's using that this is not the one I'm gonna use. Oh my God, that's hilarious. But okay, so nice image. That's not what I'm going to use because it's totally not my brand, but nice image. However, again, this is 2:3 or 3:2, depending on. This is a 2:3 aspect ratio. It's not 16:9 or 3:2. But here's what we can do using Photoshop to fix this really easy. We're going to download that. And we're going to bring it into Adobe Photoshop. Hit Command and Control C for copy. And then we want to create a new canvas, and we're going to choose a 4K canvas, which is a 16:9 aspect ratio. And then we're going to paste this. It's a little small. I'm just going to scale it up like this. And there we go. There's all our missing stuff. Now, you got some options here to fix it. Obviously, you could just scale it to fit like that. But let's say you don't want to do that because you want to see the whole image. You know, it's a nice image. I want to see the whole image. What we're going to do is select the side that's missing, select the other side like that. So we got both sides selected. By the way, hit Shift when you select and you can add to your selection. Down here, generative fill. This is Adobe Premiere's own AI image generation. And we're going to give it a prompt, and we're going to just say fill missing image or something to that effect. I'm using Firefly here. We've got Gemini with Nano Banana, so we can use that. For this purpose, Firefly was probably going to work just fine. So generate. It's also faster than Nano Banana. I like Nano Banana in Hailuo. I'm not a fan of what it's been doing in Photoshop. I don't know where the problem is. There it is. Look at that. Now we've filled that missing, and we've got a few generations to choose from. This one's kind of funky because it created some weird faces. This one's 1 and 3 are perfectly fine. I think I like 3. Okay. And then from here, we can simply select everything and merge the background. And then we can save this. Should I use this one? It's kind of a different thumbnail, but Well, there it is, guys. Creating thumbnails with ChatGPT and then altering them to actually fit the 16:9 ratio using Photoshop's own AI generative fill. Hope you enjoyed that. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Check out some other videos on the channel. We're all about AI tools now, AI tools for creators, how to just be better at creating video, graphics, whatever it is using AI. And we'll see you in the next one, guys. Cheers.